would you love to have? City living that is close to nature. It's the best of both worlds. That is the property that we will feature today on Metro Properties. Hi, I'm Lian Castañeda. Welcome to a house tour here in Ortigas area. This beautifully renovated 4-story house is located in Oranbo, Pasig. But this is just walking distance to Tiendesitas, Capitol Commons, Estancia, Shaw Boulevard, ShangriLa Mall, Megamall, Robinson's Galleria, and Ortigas Business Center. Upon entering the house, you will be pleasantly surprised to see the spacious living room, family room, and a very relaxing and stunning view in the gazebo area. This can make you forget that you are living right at the heart of a very busy city. You can just cool down, unwind at the end of the day while enjoying a glass of wine or a cup of your favorite aromatic coffee while marveling at the city view and the nature close to you. You can also choose to spend quality time at this very spacious multi-purpose room that can be turned into a family or entertainment room. Now it's time to go down to the basement level. Unlike other houses in this community, this house offers you an extended space at the basement area. Located in this level is a small bedroom with toilet and bath, the dining area, and the dirty kitchen that opens up to your very own private garden and a storage room. The open layout of this area makes you feel that you have a lot of space to work with. There is a dining area where you can share sumptuous meals with your family and friends. You can bond while cooking at the spacious kitchen area or at the dirty kitchen and go to the garden where you can pick your favorite herb or any plants. Now, if that's not too much space already, we're now headed to the bedrooms. Currently, one of the rooms here is being utilized as an office. Nearing the end of our tour, we are here at the final and last floor where we've got 2 bedrooms for you. Spacious bedrooms for your children. This room gives you the nature's view with a view of the city of Pasig. This room has a lot of space for your kids' stuff, built-in cabinets, and of course a toilet and bath. While this adjacent room gives you a dainty white look with a spectacular Ortigas skyline. How cool is that? Frankly, you wouldn't find anything like this in the Ortigas area. You're just walking distance to Ortigas' highly commercial area while still enjoying a decent, quiet community with nature at its best. If I were you, I will schedule a viewing today to see for yourself. The price tag of this property is so worth it, considering its features, location, improvements, and of course, its access to the highly commercial area of the Ortigas Business District. So what are you waiting for? Call us now at Smart 0921-212-9686 or at Globe 0956-511-0819 and book your viewing schedule today. Also, please check us out on FB at Metro Properties and on YouTube Metro Properties PH. Thank you and God bless you all.